So you might be in a situation where you want to go ahead and use live activities on your particular iPhone. Now, doing this is actually fairly basic and it doesn't really take too much time at all. But the very first thing you're going to want to have to make sure is that your particular iPhone does support live activities. So not every single iPhone supports it, so just kind of keep that in mind. If you have an iPhone that does have the dynamic island at the very top, then you should be able to go through and use live activities. So number one, what you're going to want to do is you want to hop inside of your iPhone settings like this, and you want to make sure that your particular iPhone has your passcode and security system set up. So go inside of here, you want to go through and you want to go inside of Face ID and passcode. So find that, and all you're going to want to do is you want to scroll over until wherever it says allow access when locked. So wherever that particular option is, and you want to make sure you allow access when locked and live activities, which is right here. So enable this, make sure this part is enabled right there, and then you're basically good to go. So now what you can do is you can go through and find an application that now supports live activities. So keep in mind, not every single application does support live activities, but a majority of them do. So you want to go inside of your iPhone settings right here, scroll over until you find an application that you actually want to support live activities with. So in this case, let's say I had, on my other phone, I have this Uber application, right? Well, what I can do is within my Uber app, once I click on it, I can go through and I can allow live activities, which is right here. So tap into this live activities portion, and it will allow me to go through and actually use live activities now and allow it. So go through, click on this, even click on this one, more frequent updates if you want to be, updated more frequently. So now if I'm using Uber, right, and if I'm getting, like a Uber, like a car, well, what'll happen is it'll come to me, right, but without me having to go ahead and actually go inside of the app, it'll give me pop-ups and actual notifications in real time of how the car ride's going, how far is it, what the status of it is. And it is actually a really nice thing. So that is basically how to go ahead and set up live activities on your particular iPhone. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.